Hello everybody, welcome to my Creative Time with Emma. I wanted to pop on here to do a quick little short tutorial for you on our brand new this is the North Pole Stamp and Die sets. Comes with the total of 6 dies. And we have 5, and then total of 8 coordinating stamps. And then all of the sentiments, there's Santa's Workshop, Season's Greetings, Reindeer Crossing, North Pole, Elf Village, Sweet Shop, Toy Shop, and Hot Cocoa. All of these sentiments will fit on here, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and put this together for you. So I cut out all the pieces here. So let me bring this over here. Okay, and I used one of my older, let's see, I used the Beautiful Basics, one of my older paper pad to cut this out. So since that one is just an 80-pound, what I did was I backed it with another cardstock in the back just to make it just a wee bit sturdier. Okay, so what you want to do is cut everything out. You could cut these out in green if you want, or I just did mine in black. And then this one right here, oopsie, I'm going to use this as my little pointer. Let me grab it. Okay, this part right here, what I did was I cut it out in black as well. I cut it out once in that color, that silverish color. And then I cut it out again in black, which is this little piece, just so you can have a little wire, because there is a little light right here. Okay, there is one little piece in here. You see this piece? Ignore that piece, that little tiny piece right there. I'll just go ahead and just pop it out. That piece, ignore it. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is for. Anyways, so you want to cut that little piece out as well. And here goes the little, now these pieces here, they're little wires. There's 3 of them in here. Okay, and then we have all the lights. Now I cut the lights out twice because I threw some away by accident. So there should just be 7 lights. There's more. You're seeing more here because I cut it out twice. And then we have this piece, which is this right here, the little snow. This is considered the cover, the top right there. And then this here is for our sentiment. Okay, so let's go ahead and just put this together really quickly. So you want to do is just grab your little, now obviously the lights are small. They're small pieces. Okay, so that's going to go like so. Usually I would not have done this, but I forgot there is a wire here. So that's why I cut that out. Okay, so let's go ahead and just put some liquid adhesive on here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just put this like so. Okay, just like that. And then now this is the tricky part right here. Okay, I'm trying to figure out the best way to, you know what, actually, before we do the tricky part, let's do the easy parts first, okay? Let's go ahead and get this on here. This is considered like the little snow that's on top of the little bottom of your pole here. Oopsie, hold on. Put that on there, okay. Okay. And then we could go ahead and put this portion on as well, right at the top of the little post. Just like so. Hold that down for just a quick minute. Okay, so now these are the little wires that go here. So now the easiest way to do it, either you could go ahead and put the lights on first, or we could line them up. Let's go ahead and just line them all up, okay? So basically, this little piece here, let me grab my little pointy thing. These little pieces here are considered like the wire portions right there. Okay, so this one here, so you kind of want to just match it up. That's the wire portion, and there goes a wire portion right there. You see how the wire is that's why there's holes right there. Okay, so you want to match it up how the lights are, just like so. Okay, so we know that goes there. So let's go ahead and put it down right now. So this way I won't get confused, because I did last time. I laid them all on top and then I moved them and I had to redo them again. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this first one down here. Just like so. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and line this one up as well. And you'll see what you see how the light there, and then there's a light there. So I try to make it like that just so you could match them up. It would be easier for you to match up. You see how that matches up perfectly, just like so. So let's go ahead and put that down as well with some adhesive. So I'm barely putting it, I'm just putting like little dots, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's go ahead and put that right there. Okie dokie. And then we're going to go ahead and put this one. This will be the last one. And this one, now, this one here, you kind of have two choices, okay? Either you could put this, because this is going to be tucked underneath the actual sign, North Pole, okay? You could probably do that, tuck it underneath, or you could trim this portion off. And so this way, when you have it on here, let me show you what it'll look like. So when you have it on here, that you'll have one little light there, which I think I'm going to do that actually. Let's do that. Let's go ahead and put down the North Pole first. Okay. I would pop it up, but then now that I'm going to do it this way, so I'm going to show you how it looks underneath the pole. Let me while I'm holding this down to dry really quick here. Let me see if I have one. Yeah, I have one made already. So basically this is what it will look like tucked underneath. You see that? You just have one and the other light is tucked underneath. Oopsie. This is why I like doing liquid glue, because you could go ahead and fix it. Okay, there we go. Okie dokie. So lost my train of thought, what I was saying. Oh, okay, so this one, basically that other little light is tucked underneath. This one, we're going to go ahead and do it on top. But in order for it to look cute and where this wire isn't covering up anything, what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim that wire. Okay, just the top one, right? Just like so. Okay. So this way it could go like that. Okay, I think that'll work. I think that'll look cute to have it kind of on the sign just a tad. Just gonna put just a hint of glue right there. And then last, all we have to do is just add our little lights. So I'm kind of like, you see how I kind of moved it just a little bit so the little wire could line up with that little wire portion there. Just gonna move that down just a little bit. That looks cute. Okay, and then now all we have to do is just add all of our little lights. So I'm just gonna put like a little touch of glue. We'll do 3 at a time. And let me grab these lights here. And I just cut them all out in blue. I have this little shiny blue paper that I got last year that I never got to use. I ordered it from Michael's. It was, I remember, as if you know me, I hate leaving my house. And I was so excited to see Michael's actually is on Instacart. So I ordered all of the little shiny paper from Instacart that year and I never used it. So I found it when I was cleaning up my room the last time I cleaned my room. Okay, so good. So now I get to use it. So I'm so happy. Now, obviously, you could do the lights in different colors, however you want to, you're choosing. So I'm going to go ahead and just continue putting the little lights on really quick, okay? Because you get that part. Okie dokie. So now we just have these extra little lights here. I'm just going to push those off to the side. Now, how adorable is that, my friends? Super duper cute. You could use this as a focal point. You could use this as the little background on a card. So adorable. So anyways, everybody, that is the little short tutorial for the little North Pole stamp and die. If you have any questions, always feel free to email me at info@my-creative-time.com. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.